Today we can discuss overview of operating system. It is a large program or a collection of routines that is used to control the sharing of and interaction among various computer units. Function of operating system: first, assign resources to individual application program. Second, assign memory and magnetic disk space to program and data files. Third, move the data between the memory and disk units. And last, it handles input and output operation. Next, the figure shows user program or OS routine sharing the process. Step first, the file is to be transfer the file into memory. Second, when the transfer is completed, the execution of program that can be start. Third, during time period T0 to T1, an OS routine initiates loading the application program from disk to memory. Wait until the transfer is complete, then passes execution control to the application program and prints the result. Similar action takes place during T2 to T3 and T4 to T5. Fifth, similarly during T0 to T1, the OS can arrange to print the previous program result while the current program is being executed. 6. At T5, operating system may be load or execution another program. 7th, the pattern of managing the concurrent executing of the several application program to make the best possible use of computer resources is called the multi-programming and multitasking. Next point, computer booting process. Booting is also known as booting up is the initial set of operations that a computer system performs when electrical power is switched on. The process begins when computer that has been turned off is re-energized and ends when the computer is ready to perform its normal operations. On modern computers, this can take 10 of seconds and typically involves performing power on self-test, locating initializing peripheral devices, and then finding, loading and starting an operating system of many computer systems. Also allows this operation to be initiated by a software command without cycling power in what is known as a soft reboot. Some of initial operations might be skipped on soft reboot. A bootloader is a computer program that loads the main operating system or routine environment for the computer after completion of self-tests. The computer boot term boot is the short for bootstrap or bootstrap load, and drivers from the pairs to pull oneself up by one's bootstraps. The uses call attention to the paradox that a computer cannot run without first loading software. But some software must be run before any software can be loaded. Early computers used a variety of ad hoc methods to get fragments of software into memory to solve this problem. The invention of integrated circuit or IC, read-only memory ROM of various types solved the paradox by allowing computer to be shipped with the startup program that could not be erased, but growth in the size of ROM allowed even more elaborate startup producers to be implemented. There are numerous examples of single and multi-stage boot sequences that begin with execution of boot programs stored in the boot ROMs. During booting process, the binary code of an operating system or routine environment may be loaded from non-volatile secondary storage such as hard disk drive into volatile or random access memory RAM and then executed. Some simpler embedded systems do not require noticeable boot sequence to begin functioning and may simply run operation programs stored in read-only memory ROM when turned on. Thank you.